Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have run into a problem like this with your iron, then I'll show you how to fix it with the help of a paracetamol. Make sure your iron is hot. You will need few paracetamol tablets, not the capsules, and a damp microfiber cloth. Once the iron is hot, rub the tablet vigorously on the affected area of the iron. The tablet will soon start to melt. Once the tablet is near to an end, get a new one and repeat the process until it's all gone. Use a wet microfiber cloth from time to time to clear the residue. Thank you very much.